Here I have a Revit project with two instances of a structural column and two instances of an architectural column, both going to different heights as visible on the south elevation here. The view range of this level 1 floor plan is set to a 1200mm cut plane and 2300mm top plane, as seen in the south elevation here. However, this architectural column on the right does not appear to be cutting correctly. It is not shaded in grey or have a thicker black outline indicating that it has been cut in this view. But in the south elevation I can clearly see that this column goes through and above the cut plane and also the top plane of the floor plan as well. So why is that? If I select this architectural column and select Edit Family, if I expand the views in the project browser and select the ground floor plan, if I select this ground floor plan and click on the view range of this plan within the family, I can see that the cut plane is set to 4 meters. If I change this to 2500mm, click OK, and load this back into my project and close it without saving and overwrite, I can see now this column is cutting correctly in this plan. If we remember, we set the view range to 2500mm in the family. If I change the height of this column to be 2400, even though I'm cutting in the plan, the column appears to be visible in projection. This indicates when the cut plane of the floor plan within the family is set to a value, when the height of the column is less than that value, the column will be visible as if it were to be projected or looking above. If I set this top offset, for example, to 2700 now, which is above the cut plane in the family, the column now cuts correctly. Note that this is a column taken from the standard Autodesk UK metric library, so you may find this if you use this particular family in your projects. Again, just to double check and demonstrate, the top offset is 2700 of this family instance. If I edit this rectangular family, select on the floor plan, change the view range to 2800, changing the cut plane to 2800, and load into project and close without saving and overwrite. Because this column height is now less than the value specified in the cut plane of the family, it appears as if it were projected when viewed in plan. And this is a property of a number of Revit categories, including Revit baluster families. So if your family is not cutting correctly, it's worth checking the cut plane height of the floor plan within the family.